Alright guys, I'm going to take you along to put out some deer corn at the two trail cams I got set up here at Sunnyhill restoration area. Let's go put some corn out. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the 13th of November 2023. 64 degrees. Not too bad out here. Just seems like it's going to be getting darker a little bit earlier now. So this first trail cam really didn't get too much action on it last night. We're going to give it, here's one more night for them to sniff out the deer corn. I know they're in the area. Maybe I saw a whole group of them right about here this morning. About 7 or 8 does, I think most of them were. Yeah, let's see here. Should be right in here, I believe. Let's go take a gander and see if it's in here. Sometimes I get mixed up here. Gotta keep an eye out on deer and bear in the area here. All right, where did it go? Let's see, where are you? I thought it was right in the pines. It was right around the curve here. I might have rode right past it. It was so well hidden. That was almost in the back here. A lot of good firewood here. Huh. Where the fuck did it go? That's interesting. Hold on 1 second, let me pull up my game map. Alright, it should be right around this area over here. Let me see. Ah, there it is. There's still some corn here. See, they haven't really touched this. There's the camera. But maybe tonight will be the night they find it. So let's out. Just kind of hide it in there. they'll stick around. I guess if I don't get anything on it tonight, I got another place I could set it up and move it. It's just around the corner. All right. So this other one that we're going to go to, you got to be really careful, because this is where I set up the camera yesterday, and it was right around this time, an hour after I set it up, black bear shows up, a tree that's been dislodged big time. Like somebody was taking out their aggressions on that tree. And we did have another bear sighting just to the left of the campground here, so they're wandering around all over the place. But we just need to be careful. Bears in general, unless it's a mom bear with cubs, they don't want anything to do with you, so they'll skedaddle if they hear you coming. Last time I was here, I had a bear that was on the trail that I was riding, and he saw me coming and skedaddled out of the way. It's very rare that they want a confrontation with you. I imagine they know what's going to happen, you know. People come with tranquilizers and for research, or there's no hunting here, so I mean they feel pretty at ease coming and going, knowing that they can go anywhere they want really without being bothered. But this guy has been hanging around this area. One time I caught him with the trail cam last time. He had a buddy of him with him, and they basically camped out right at the tree. Just taking a quick look in there, and doesn't look like anything's of concern. Just gotta keep a lookout for big black objects. So we'll take our other corn here. He was eating on the corn last night, so and then I saw the he saw my battery box and destroyed it, or opened it up. I think I can still salvage it. Oh, he wrecked it. The antenna's busted on it. I'm gonna have to take this one down. Guess he didn't like being on camera. Oh, well. Just want to glance around, make sure he's around here. Oh, look at that. Just got a hold of it. camera's not going to be. I'm going to have to fix it or do something. I could pull it right out. I was wondering why I didn't get any more pictures after like about 6 o'clock last night. You must have seen I had the battery right in here, and he must have thought it was something. He ate the dry pack. It's weird. Alright, well let's glad I came here. Oh, look, there's my antenna. I think he took that antenna. Oh, that's all screwed up. That one might be toast. He didn't bite it. He just grabbed the antenna. So we'll take this back and see if we can fix it. I've got a spare, but it's inoperable. But I wonder if I can. You can see what he did to this tree. He's been just tearing it apart. Look at that. That's something. Ah, shit. Oh well, let's take this back to the camp and see if we can fix it. Otherwise, we're going to be down one camera. Antenna folded down, so it wasn't such an object for him. But I'm glad he didn't chew the wire and break the wire off. Alright, let's put that back and see if we can. I don't want to fix it here. Yeah, because the last picture I had yesterday was right before 6 o'clock, right before dark, and nothing after that. So, and I didn't get a picture of him coming up to the camera, ripping it down. But I haven't. Well, you know what? Maybe I did. I just haven't had it developed all the way. And it really can't communicate now with the camera, since this is a cellular camera, so it's not getting any cell service. But we'll see if we can fix it. If not, oh well. We can always move that other camera, especially if we don't get any action on it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. We got one dead camera due to a bear attack. Let's see if we can get it fixed up. If not, we'll have to just chalk it up to experience and get a new one. All right, we'll see you next time. Adios.